Hello future doctors, welcome back to the channel. If you are studying or planning to study MBBS abroad, the biggest question you will face is, will my degree be accepted in the UK? Can I work there as a doctor? So today in this video, I am going to explain how to check if your university is registered with GMC, which is General Medical Council, and a step-by-step pathway to work as a registered doctor in the UK. So first, what is GMC? General Medical Council, also known as GMC, is the authority in the UK that regulates doctor, and for FMG it verifies and registers their degree. So if your degree is not verified by GMC, you cannot work as a registered doctor in the UK. So basically it is your first checkpoint to ensure. Now you'll have a second question, how to check if your degree is valid. So here's the official way. Go to the GMC website, go to the section called as Acceptable Overseas Qualification, select your country and look for your medical school. If your university is listed, congratulations. But if not listed, don't panic. You can officially reach to GMC via mail and submit your documents for verification. And they also cross-check the university listing with WDOMS, so ensure that too. Internship required. After your degree is accepted, GMC also ensures that you have completed at least 1 year of internship. If your degree includes 1 year of internship, it is usually enough. If not, you have to complete 1 year of internship from your respective country. Now, what next after validation? The next step would be English examination and licensing exam. First, English exam. That is, you must appear for Ielts or OET medicine before your licensing exam with minimum score of 7.5 and 7 across all bands. Now let's talk about licensing exam. Earlier this was Plab exam, but 2025 onwards it has been changed to UK MLA, which has now 2 parts. AKT, that is Applied Knowledge Test. It is computer based, MCQ type, very similar to Plab 1. The main focus will be diagnosis, management and clinical reasoning. It will be based on GMC's MLA content map. The centers are worldwide and the duration of examination just 3 hours. The second exam, CPSA, Clinical and Professional Skill Assessment. It is very similar to Plab 2. Role play with stimulating patient situation. The skill tested are communication, examination, diagnosis, professionalism and patient safety. And this exam is held only in UK in the city of Manchester. So after passing both exams, you can finally register with the GMC. Then you can legally practice in the UK, that is work with the NHS, that is National Healthcare System. You usually need 1 to 2 years of NHS experience before applying for specialty training. This helps you in building UK clinical experience, references and portfolio. Then apply for specialty training, where you have to apply via oral system, which has 2 stages, core training, then specialty training. Do you know there are other ways to directly join PG in the UK without going through the NHS and Plab hassle? If you want to know about it, do let me know in the comment section. Now let's go to the breakdown of cost. First, English test will cost you roughly around £200. Examination fees, which includes both exam, £1,271. GMC registration is roughly around £420, and document verification is £80 plus £60 per extra document. So the fee would be roughly around £2,000, and it doesn't include visa and travel cost. So this was it. A complete overview on how to become a registered doctor in the UK if you're studying MBBS in India or abroad. Thank you so much for watching. So if this video cleared your doubts about GMC or the latest UK pathway, do let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe, as it helps me bring more content like this for MBBS student like you. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Jai Hind.